Welcome to this tutorial. How to get more usage from your laptop battery. Is your laptop power hungry and draining battery quickly? Do not worry. In this, we will learn some easy steps to improve the battery life of a laptop. Follow the steps as shown in this video. In the notification area on the left bottom, click on the battery icon. Drag the slider to adjust the power mode as per your needs. There are 3 power mode options available, like Better Battery, Better Performance, and Best Performance. Click on the battery settings link below the power mode slider. Make sure the checkbox of Lower Screen Brightness while in Battery Saver is selected. Click on the drop-down of Turn Battery On Automatically At and select the percentage from the available options. Click on the drop-down of Time Period at the bottom, and you can select 24 hours or 1 week. Close the battery settings window. Reduce the screen brightness of your laptop to save the battery. Open Settings and click on the System option. Click on the Battery menu from the left panel. Click on the Power and Sleep settings from the right panel. If you are not using your laptop for a duration, then set the timing of On Battery Power, Turn Off After from the available time slots. Set the sleep timing when you are using your laptop on battery power. Click on the back arrow button at the left top to go back to the main settings window. Click on the Privacy option. Scroll down the list on the left panel and click on the Background Apps menu. Turn off the apps that you don't want to use in the background. By turning off some apps that consume more battery power, you can increase the battery life. Go back to the main settings window and click on the Close button. This wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.